The R value is the building industry's term for thermal resistance. It's also how we determine the R values or thermal resistance for insulation. As you can see, we've got various insulations here. We have fiberglass bat at the top, and then we also have various spray foams and rigid foam products and other things like concrete, brick, framing lumber. Did you know, though, that if you compress fiberglass bat, it loses some of its R value? In fact, the general rule is that fiberglass bats lose 7% of R value for each 10% of compression. If you see that we have a 5.5-inch insulation and compress it into a 2x4 wall, it is indeed actually only 15.6. That R value is lost. However, if it's put into the 5.5-inch cavity, as is designed, it retains the R value of 21. In our course, we'll talk about R values. We'll talk about insulations. We'll talk about the envelope and the building enclosure. We'll also talk about grading insulation. This determines how well the insulation is installed. And we'll also talk about how insulation affects basements and whether it's considered an unconditioned basement all the way up to a fully conditioned basement. The course will indeed talk about other things, but one of the more important things that we can discuss in building assemblies is indeed the insulation.